All right, so this is 3.2, part 2. Determining whether a point is a solution or not. It's pretty simple. I know this looks overwhelming, Annie, but it's really not. Are you ready for this? Do you have a calculator? On your phone, right? All right, let's get that up. So what we're doing up here is we are simply going to plug in these numbers for x and y and determine if it balances out. So Louis, these points are alphabetical. X, Y, X, Y. Do you see that?
Yes.
And I'm going to plug them in. So if I plug in point A, is 2 plus 2 equal to 6?
No.
That's not a solution. Is 5 plus 1 equal to 6?
Yes.
That's the solution. Easy enough, Lou? Louis, what game are you playing?
We'll play it again. I'm in a group chat.
All right, well, there we go. So Louis, over here, what point comes first? X or Y?
X and Y. X.
X, because it's alphabetical. So XY, XY. Now we're going to plug it in. 3 times 3 is,
Okay.
I know, but 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So do I need to check B?
No. I'll do it.
You okay with that? All right. Up here. Annie, what comes first? X or Y? It's alphabetical. X. So it's going to be X, Y, X, Y. Now, you got to be careful with this, right? Because Y comes first. So I plug in 5 minus 9. Is that equal to 4? No. Here, I plug in 9 first. Is 9 minus 5 equal to 4? Pretty easy, right? Maddie, what comes first, X or Y? 6 minus 4, is that equal to 2? Is 6 minus 4 equal to 2? Yep. And we know it's not B then, right? Because it's either A or B. Make sense? Chucky, what comes first? So I'm going to do negative 6 plus 3 times 6. Is that equal to negative 2? No, because negative 6 plus 18 is 12. Here, just to check it, to show you, 4 plus 3 times negative 2. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. So 4 minus 6 is negative 2. John, what comes first, X or Y? X. So we're going to label our points, X and Y. Now I'm going to plug it in. Negative 4 times 3 is plus 1. So add. Nate, what comes first, X or Y?
X.
So we label it X, Y. Nate, 2 times negative 4
Negative 4 is going to be negative 8.
plus 2 times 5.
That's like 2.
So it's not A, then it must be B. And we can check it because 2 times 6 is 12, plus 2 times negative 3, that's negative 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. Jules,
Yeah.
what comes first, X or Y?
Which one are we on?
8. What comes first, X or Y?
X.
Very good. So we're going to label our point X, Y, X, Y. Now we're going to plug it in, Jules, on your calculator or phone. 6 times negative 1. That's -6, right?
Yep.
-2 times -1. That's 2. What is -6 plus 2?
Hold up, you still on me?
Yeah. What is -6 plus 2? Is that equal to -4?
Yeah, it's -4.
Very good. So the answer is A and not B. Mike. Mike, what do we label our points?
Uh,
X.
X and Y.
Mike, what is 2 times 2?
4.
Minus 5 times -2. So -5 times -2 is 10. What is 4 plus 10? Is that equal to
14.
and that's not equal to -14. So the
It
answer
is not.
would be B. Joey, what do we label our points?
XX,
Not XX,
XY,
XY. Joey, if I plug in 2 for X, does 2 equal -3? Joey?
no.
No. So my answer must be B, and I can check that because I can plug in the X value, which is -3, and I can see it's -3, -3. Who else? Grace, what do we label our points, Grace?
We label it
What do we label it?
I don't know.
X, Y. So we label it XY. So Grace, which one of these has a Y value of 4? Is it A or B?
A.
A, very good. Last but not least, Nate. If you're on your phone, what do I label my point?
X, Y,
Which one has an X value of 0?
X. Or Y does.
A or B? Annie? A. Because A has an X value of 0. All right. And